You should have received your kit in the mail of this adorable drawer with the daisies. This is interchangeable. There are other interchangeable parts to this that you may be able to find at chalkitupfancy.com, or you can email us at chalkitupfancy@gmail.com. I'm going to start by dismantling my project. And when I get to this little pocket, I'm going to go ahead and glue that together as I'm dismantling. I'm putting that aside. And I'm putting everything on painter's tape, sticky side up, just so that I don't lose any small pieces. This last platform I'm going to glue together also. And I'm going to go through and paint all these parts. Some of these parts you probably could skip painting because they're going to be covered. For me, sometimes it's just easy just to paint everything. In this way, I don't leave anything behind. And this is pretty simple because everything is going to be in chocolate. I did put a little bit of water into my chocolate just to make it more movable. And I'm going to go ahead and paint all the parts in our Chocolate by Wise Owl. I'm just using a dollar store dauber. You can also use makeup sponges. I find these to be the easiest with these cutouts. Once I paint everything in chocolate, I'm going to allow it to fully dry. Once everything's dry, I'm going to take my snow owl and I'm just going to give one coat. I'm not worrying about full coverage because I do want a vintage vibe. If you don't want this vintage vibe and you want a bright white, I would skip coloring all the parts in chocolate. My buttons, I did a very dusting of the white. My handle, I just dusted the edges. And everything else I did cover with the white, but again, I'm not worrying about full coverage. I do want some of that chocolate to show through. Then I took my residual white from my dabber and I just kind of spotted my drawer parts, again, just to give more of that vintage look. And now I'm going to start gluing everything together. I took the bigger panel and I'm going to glue it to the top portion of the board, of the drawer, I'm sorry. And you just want to make sure you line up all your pieces and parts. I'm going to put my pocket down. You can still see the scoring as to where this should go. And then I'm going to put the front of the drawer on top of that. And I just use crazy glue from the Dollar Tree. You can see the scoring for these little half moon portions for your handle. And then your handle goes on top of those half moon pieces. And then I'm going to glue the top portion of the handle to that. I'm going to glue my half buttons. I took a large one and a smaller one to the front of my little feet. And then you can add second buttons on top of that. And then I went to the back of my drawer and did the same thing. And these are going to take a few seconds to fully dry. So you're not going to want to put... You're not going to want to stand your drawer at this point. I just kind of place them and hold them till they're not going to move. And while I'm holding, I'm going to add the frame that goes around the full outside of the drawer. You do not need a lot of glue. I'm going to add my second buttons to the back side. And these buttons are going to be what's going to keep your drawer from falling over. So these you want to make sure they're very dry. I'm going to just sit it off to the side for several minutes. So now I have my daisies out, and I'm going to start with the tag that says Oopsie Daisy with the button. And I watered this chocolate down even a little bit more than the first set of parts and filled in the tag and the buttons. I dismantled the tops of my daisies, and now I'm painting the entire daisy portion in the snow owl along with the 2 floating daisies. Then I'm going to go in with a very small dauber, or you can actually use an art brush. Your paint may migrate a little bit. Don't overthink it. And I did this in dry time. And it's all these just little squigglies or the stems to the daisies. Then I'm going to hit the tops of all the daisies in our yellow. Then I'm going to take a little bit of that residual white from my dauber, and I'm going to just go around the edges of my tag and my buttons. And then I'm going to glue all the tops of my daisies down. They're all pretty much either a small size or a large size. It's pretty easy to figure out where they're supposed to go. And I glued them all down. And then I glued down my floating daisies, and you can kind of pretty much put these wherever you want. You just want to keep that tab at the bottom free because that's what's going to sit inside your pocket. Now I'm going to take a fine tip Sharpie, and I'm going to fill in my words that says Oopsie Daisy. You definitely want to make sure you're using a fine tip. It's just going to give you more control as this is permanent. And this is just going to, help show my wording much better. And you can see the scoring exactly where you need to fill in. So this is pretty easy to do. Now you can insert your daisies, and I'm going to paint my buttons on my Oopsie Daisy tag a little bit brighter in the white so it matches everything else. I did add some jute to that tag with a bow. And now this particular portion inserts into the front tab of our drawer. I'm so thrilled with this, and I hope you are happy. Thank you so much for your purchase, and have a great day.